Hey everyone, it's your guy, the Urban Window Farmer. Today's episode, we're going to be preparing the next batch of leafy green vegetables to be placed under the Spider Farmer grow light for germination, and later, the Martian Tower garden for maturation. So let's begin. So have a look at my whiteboard. I have 8 different seed packets, starting with the first one, which is red giant mustard green, which has a maturation of 45 days. Next I have pak choi, which has a maturation of 45 days. And then I have collard greens that have a maturation of 70 days. And Swiss chard with a maturation of 60 days. And the first time I'm growing kohlrabi has a maturation of 65 days from germination. I also have ruby streak mustard greens, also first time growing this, 45-day maturation. And I have green wave mustard greens, which also have a 45-day maturation. And the only other plant that's not a brassica is lettuce, romaine lettuce, which has a maturation of 68 days. Moving on, I'm going to be showing a time lapse over a 5-day period, showing the mostly Brassica family plants growing under Spider Farmer LED lights. The Brassica family is a large family of plants which includes cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, kale, collards, turnips, and mustard greens. The Brassica family of plants are rich in nutrients and produce a lot of biomass. They are also very easy to grow hydroponically. Brassica family plants are very versatile. They can be eaten raw, cooked, or fermented. They are also able to withstand cold weather, so they're perfect for Chicago. Okay, so here's the results after 5 days of growing under Spider Farmer LED lights. You can see most of the plants have germinated. Some have not, mostly due to the fact that they just weren't high quality seeds, I'm assuming. I have lower germination rates in the Swiss chard family for whatever reason, but most of the plants have really high germination rates, as you can tell. Some of the pods have multiple plants budding from them, and I'm going to have to wean them out. As you can see, there's multiple stems coming out of a few of these plugs here. So yep, what I'm going to do next is start weeding some of these out, putting them in their own pods, because it's best to have only one plant per pod. And then once that's complete, my next step is I'm going to start moving some of these into the Martian Tower garden for the maturation process. I now have 2 Martian Tower gardens, one inside under LED lights, and then the other one is outside on my back porch. So I'm going to try putting some of these outside because the weather is staying above 40, so I think they'll be fine out there. And I think the next batch of plants are going to be flowering plants, because I think it's almost that time of the year, so I'll start putting pepper plants under the Spider Farmer LED lights, and also I may also get started with tomatoes. So that's coming next, and I'll also have a video of me placing these in the Martian Tower garden. And if you do like this kind of content, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.